Price to innovation adjusted earnings. So ito yung variation ng price to earnings ratio, kaso ito ay may concern sa innovation. So syempre pag sinabi mong innovation, may concern din ito sa R&D o research and development. So ang formula nito is price per share over earnings per share plus research and development expenditures. So isipin nyo, yun. Yung formula kasi nun is price per share over earnings per share. Price per share, price per earnings ratio na yun o yung P/E ratio. Dinagdagan mo ng R&D expenditure. So, price to innovation adjusted earnings ang tawag dyan. So, yun lang yun, di ba? Kasi alam naman natin yung price to earnings ratio kung para saan siya, di ba? Yung ratio ng price at price ng iyong stocks over yung earnings. Pero dito, kino-consider na yung research and development mo. So, yan yung ginagamit ng mga tech companies and pharmaceutical companies. Kasi taking into consideration yung kanilang research and development expenses or expenditures. So, yun lang po.